So today we're going to show you how to do an oil change on a CLA 250 oil section tool. We're going to suck the oil out of the dipstick. To do that, the car has to be at operating temperature. So what we're going to do, we're going to use this dipstick and suck the oil out of here. This is the oil filter, and we're going to open up this to change the oil. So let's start the process. This is called 12-volt oil changer. It connects with your battery terminals and you can suck the oil out. Let's open up this box. So it comes with 2 hoses. And it has long terminals, as you can see, and I can connect to the positive. The Mercedes, they gave you this option. You press and your positive terminal is right there. So we connect the positive to the positive. What's going on, man?
What's that thing?
Oil change.
Oh, it sucks the oil out.
Yeah. So we connect the positive with the positive terminal and negative to the ground, and now we're going to connect our hoses. It has arrows over here pointing. This is the suction, and from here the oil comes out. So I'm going to connect the suction right here like that. And what I like to do, I usually open up this so air can go in, and then I usually take the dipstick out. And now we're gonna put our hose in all the way till it can go no more in. So it stops right there. And this side, I'm going to use a container where I can collect the oil that I'm going to extract from the system. Container right here, like this. We'll let the container sit on the floor and gravity takes its action. Put that set up and we turn the pump on. Let's see what happens. As you see, the oil is coming. And this thing is working as it should be. Okay, now if you can see, the oil that's coming out is getting less and less. You can see just few drops coming out. So it's almost getting to the point where we're gonna stop this eventually and open up the filter. And you take your hose out, wipe it clean, and one last time run it so the remaining oil goes to the other side. Once we do that, then you take this hose out. And we raise it up like this. So all the oil that's in here can go into that container. So the oil got to stay between this line to this line. If it's in between this line, then you're good. If it's below this, then you need to add oil. You got to look into the manual how many quarts you need to add if your oil is at this level. But between this and this is fine. You see, this says minimum and here says maximum. So we use a 27 socket and we open up the filter. It uses 27 number socket. That's how it looked like. So this is the filter, looks pretty dirty after a year. In my next oil change, I'm going to change in 3 months. And now let's go ahead and replace this filter. So the small seal, if you see, go right here, so we replace that. We put the new seal in. It goes in place. Now that we have all our seals in place, set it in, and it should be tied at 25. So when you need to tie it up, you need to set your torque at 25, and this way it says 25 or 5 Newton. So we're gonna set it up, or if you don't have a torque wrench, you just tie it up where you can tie it up, no more. Don't go too heavy on it. So let's set up our at 25. The recommended oil we have is 040 or 540, and it's gonna say European car formula, approved for most Mercedes-Benz, Audi and Porsche. In the winter time I use the 040 weight. In the summertime I use 540 weight. So it takes about 6 quarts. Oil level is perfect, it's at maximum level, we're good to go. Alright, so to get to the point where you want reset the service setting on the Mercedes CLA 250 year 2016, in my case I have to press once, twice, and 3 times. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna hold the phone and the OK button together. Now we're gonna go to Assist Plus, Full Service, okay, Full Service, grade of oil that I use, service carried out, yes, confirm, okay. Now we start the car and see if that service sign comes on. So we reset our service setting, is good to go. And now the next service is due in 365 days. So guys, thank you for liking this video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Your subscription helps this channel. And please press on like and share this channel with friends and family. It helps us to grow.